welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make this cute tooth fairy pouch. And you only need a few supplies. You're going to need a pre-sewn pouch. I picked this one up from Michael's. It is 3 by 4 inches. And then your vinyl of choice. Now before I cut the vinyl, I wanted to show you all the images I'm using today, and I found all of these on Design Space. So next, I'm going to go ahead and select all the images and make them the same color so I can cut everything at once. Click Make It. And then I'm just going to go ahead and position everything on the mat here. And then now I will set my strong grip mat up just the same. Apply my vinyl with the glossy side down. I'm just looking at my canvas right here to make sure I put the vinyl in the correct spot on the mat. Okay, now I'm going to take this over to my machine. Once you finish removing all the excess vinyl, you'll want to go ahead and trim off the excess liner. Before you apply vinyl, you want to make sure to lint roll your pouch. And then I'm going to press this tooth for about 20 seconds, just so I could peel off the liner, and then I will apply the eyes. So I'm just getting it centered here. Just give this a second to cool down. So once it feels cool enough to peel the liner off, I want to go ahead and do that. Now if the liner isn't coming off, then you want to press it, for another 10 seconds. So I'm going to try to remove the liner. Okay, now I'm ready to apply the eyes. Just going to get the eyes on there and the name. Okay, now I'm going to press this for 30 seconds. And then you will want to flip over your pouch and press it for additional 15 seconds. So I'm just going to wait for this to cool down, and then I will remove all the liners. Just peeling the last liner off here over the name, and it's complete. How easy and cute is that?